Perfect weather right now. I don't want to leave Pundaquit, but we're headed out. And the water's like glass. Beautiful. Perfect barrels. Perfect day. Going for a quick walk in the local neighborhood here in Pundaquit. So Williams Lodge, big resort there. And then across you have island hoppers here. And next door it looks like they're building like a 4-story apartment building or resort. Pretty cool. Got the local sorry stores. Hello. Beautiful. Province life in the Philippines. More fun in the Philippines. Yeah, it'd be great to pick up a lot here like this one. And it's only like 40 meters that way to the beach. Very close by. Hello! Foreigner driving that little motorbike with a sidecar. That's cool. There's actually a few lots in here. I've got cactus out the front. Nice. Big lot. Couple of acres here, right for development. Cute little Filipino home. That's perfect. With the terrace, the deck on the front. 4-wheel drive in the backyard. Right, that's the Filipino dream, just right there. 50 meters from the beach. And it's glass. It's beautiful weather. Got the dog here, he's just chilling. Yeah, great to pick up a lot here. And prices vary. On the beachfront, they're asking as much as like 10,000 plus peso per square meter. But I've heard stories, not on these lots, not beachside, but you know, further back that way, you know, from 500 peso per square meter. But I think those days are gone. I know one friend paid something like, I think it was 800 peso a few years back, but that was a farm lot and he had to take a whole hectare. And this is the local church, Pundaquit Christian Fellowship. Actually, it's been raining the past week non-stop, so this is the first real sunny day that we've had. Got a few trikes here. Hello. Hello. Cool bike. Check that out. And check this place out. This is like awesome. Mansion on the beachside. Dog's going crazy. Keep on walking. I'm having to leave Pundaquit today, which actually it's a bit of a shame because it's such a nice day. Beautiful weather. It's been overcast the last 2 days. We were here for the grand final. We were watching at Monty's the grand final, the Aussie Rules football. And fortunately, my team Richmond won. So it was a big night yesterday. Everyone's a bit hungover and we're ready to head home. But yeah, I actually saw the surf today and it was just glass, beautiful. And I had to I changed into some fresh clothes, but I had to take it off, put on my board shorts and go swimming again. And I've been swimming all weekend just because beautiful surf here. We're right on the ocean. Here we've got the West Philippine Sea overlooking Capones, and then behind us we've got the Anawangan Cove. Super, super nice. Now walking back to the beach, I actually get this fresh breeze, that fresh sea air. I can just feel that breeze. Beautiful blue skies today. Like I said, I really do not want to leave. Got work tomorrow, got to head back to Subic. Yeah, it's awesome around here. Just beautiful, beautiful weather, beautiful beaches, and wonderful people, actually. Very friendly. Well, thanks for watching. This has been Peter from the Property Club. Have a great weekend. I hope your weekend was as good as mine. And try and relax despite all this COVID nonsense, and have a great time. Cheers and double thumbs up. Bye for now. And then you've got the Pundaquit pub just here and behind the ocean front. And it's a great day for swimming today. Oh man, no, this is crazy.